Welcome back to Shaikhain, a YouTube channel working for the betterment of society, and I am SHAIKH. Ladies and gentlemen, in our last episode number 7, we discussed the why statement. A personal purpose statement defines who you are and that reflects your passions and values. It provides clarity as to your goals and steers how you want your story to go. It's your story and you yourself have to write it. Your why statement simplifies the direction with aligned goals, thus focusing the way forward. As we do when we discover something beautiful, we share it with the people we love. So I did share it with my friends, and my friends started making crazy changes in life. In return of my friends sharing with me about their changes in their life, it also affected my way of doing the discoveries and thinking of life. Let me share with you some examples of personal why statements in life. To push myself to be the best version of myself so that I know my mom is smiling down on me. Another one example, to leave the world better than I found it and be remembered by the people whose lives I touched as a force of good in their lives. My why is to help people be more connected in their life, career and business. My personal why statement in life is to be worth everything that has been given to me and to have as much of a positive influence on the world as possible. Do you know that you are happier when you have purpose and passion in life? How is completely meaningless until we have powerful enough why. What is your why in life? This question is very common that makes you think about what you truly want out of life. How do you find out what your why in life is? By asking as many questions as possible. The answer to these questions would make you amazingly your own friend once you discover your why and connect it with your purpose. Finally, how beautiful the world is when one has just discovered his or her why. To watch more videos on the power of why, stay with Shaikhain.